Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to put together my framed flower quilt block today. So let's take a peek at how to put this together. So let's get started with this block. It's really fun because it's like kind of an inverted churned block. So you have a lot of the same pieces. So you have a 2.5-inch center square, and then you have something in a white. I've got a polka dot today that is only 1.5 by 2.5 inch, and you need 4 of those. And then for my flower petal pieces, these are 1.5 by 2.5 inches. And then of course you need two whites, 2 of whatever color you want. I'm doing my center color here. And these are going to be half square triangles. And so you need them to be 3 1/4, and then you're going to trim them down to 2.5-inch blocks. So you can see I've already drawn a line through my supposed white piece. Right now it's a green polka dot, and you're going to place these together. You're going to sew 1/4 inch on either side of that line for both of these, and then you're going to cut them in the center. So I'm going to do that really quick here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is trim these by just cutting them in half right here on my pencil line. You should get 4 in total when you're done. And when you open them up, press them towards your color, and then you're just going to trim them down. You should have plenty of space to trim them down to 2.5-inch half square triangles. So just going to do that here with my ruler. And once you're done with that, you can see that you're going to place them like this. So your framing is with the purple along the outside. Okay, so I'm gonna finish trimming these out. Okay, so I've trimmed them all out. I'm just gonna put my ruler away here. And you can see I've laid it out. So just like with the churn block, you're now gonna sew together these pieces. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm gonna sew together all of these pieces, press them, lay them out, and then you're gonna sew rows. Okay, once these are all pressed, I'm just gonna lay them in place so that I don't get confused. And now I'm gonna go ahead and sew these rows together. Okay, pressed together. Now let's go ahead and finish this out. Okay, look how pretty that little block is. I just think it's such a sweet little block, and you can imagine if you put multiples of these together, then you get another square basically, or diamond on the corners, which is really fun. Okay, make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Instagram for more of these videos. And of course, you can join my Fabric VIP group by going to KarinaGardner.com and clicking on Exclusive VIP. And I send you a free PDF every single week, either of the blocks or the quilts that I'm making. Okay, see you guys.